I heard you're interested in becoming a Rocket Phonics game coach. Well, you're in luck, and we really need you, so thank you. First and foremost, you're gonna send me an email, which is gonna be listed right here below. And that's gonna prompt me to send you a survey so we can collect some of your contact information and get you a shirt, one of these nifty shirts. Also, you'll be scheduling your very first orientation, which is where you're gonna learn more about what we do and how we do it. We are a game-based reading program, so we're gonna be teaching you how to play games like bingo, go fish, the memory game, whack the sound, all the fun stuff. We're gonna have you covered. So, once you've let me know you're interested by sending me an email that's listed right here, I'm gonna schedule an orientation with you that can be either in person or over Zoom. It'll last 1 hour. After you have attended an orientation, your next thing will be to observe a site coordinator at one of the sites that's closest to your home and most convenient for your schedule. We also have, after you've done your time with your site coordinator, you will be ready to go with the students. The next step is going to be observing an actual session with a site coordinator and a student. You're gonna get all the details from where to park, how to check in, how to get the kids from their classroom, how to work with the kids. Remember, when you're observing, you're gonna wanna take a lot of notes, so bring a lot of paper, pens, whatever you need that day to remember the best you can. We're also gonna set you up with your very own Rocket Phonics kit that day so you can take it home. And then once you've observed, your very next step is going to be coming in for your own time to work with these kids. And that's really when the fun stuff happens. So now you know what it takes to be a really good volunteer. The next step, you need to know, what are the requirements for it? So let's go through those. First and foremost, well, like I said, we're with the kids a lot, so you're gonna have to love kids. That's the very first step. Love kids means have enthusiasm, treat them with respect, get on their level, be excited for them when they get something right. The next step is going to be play the games. We are, like I said, a game-based reading program. We play games like Go Fish, Bingo, Memory Game. Those are the games that we're gonna have you playing. And lastly, it's going to be let them win. Let them win is the most important part. We call that the game illusion because it distracts them from the fact that they're actually learning. So if you just show up with joy and love, the games are gonna teach the kids what to do. You don't have to be a teacher. You don't have to have a degree in reading. All you have to do is have love for the kids. Now that you know how your heart has to be centered, we also need to commit our time. So this does require 10 hours a month for 3 months. The commitment part is also a way for you to build trust with these kids. A lot of times these kids aren't getting full attention, whether it's at home or in school. So this 15 minutes is all you get with each kid, or maybe in a small group with 2 or 3 kids. So you really want to give them your undivided attention and don't miss any sessions. It's usually about 4 times a month that you'll be meeting with these kids. All right, now you know everything it takes to not only get trained, but also work with the kids and what the requirements are. So, like I said, we're excited to have you. Spread the word and email me below. See you soon.